everyone, this is Eager from HuadanRoad Mould. Today I will show you around our mold factory. So come with me. You will see there are a lot of CNC machines in our factories for mold production. We have 11 CNC machines in this factory. So I will show you around the CNC machining procedures. This is the programming computer and some CNC machining tools. Some clients will check with Eagle how big size of mold you can make. So I will tell you, the maximum size of our mold can be 2 meters times 2.5 meters. So with all the big size mold will be produced by that large CNC machine. So I will show you how big size of our machine. So actually, you have no worries about the size, mold size. We will have machines and equipment to help you to produce the mold. Most of our mold will be made by aluminum and steel, and here are some steel molds. Some of the molds are injection molds, and some of the molds are carbon fiber molds, and some of the molds are casting molds. So we can do different kinds of molds. You will see here is one whole set of molds, and here are mold pins. Here are mold injection gate. This is the injection mold for plastic. Sometimes there are some errors which work cannot be fully machined. So we will choose another technology which is named electrosparking. So let's see the electrosparking. Here are some electrosparking tools. All the tools are graphene material. And here are 3 electrosparking machines. And you can see here. So this is also an injection mold. When we finish the machining, we will assemble the mold together at this table. So this is our mold assembly table. After assembly, we will send the mold for testing. So the next step is mold testing. And now I still wanted to introduce some machines to you, such as our drilling machine for some hole drilling, and such as our milling machine, and such as our grinding machine for some high precision mold requirement. So here is our machines and the mold factories, and so thank you.